Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the smartest smart locks I've seen yet. The Lockzo Smart Lock. It's not just a lock, it's a video doorbell, a 2K security camera, and a high-tech smart lock all in one. So let's dive in. In full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. So in the box you'll find the Lockzo Smart Lock itself, the mounting hardware, a physical backup keys, a charging cable, and a clean instruction manual that walks you through step by step with the setup. Now installation was surprisingly simple. Lockzo designed this to fit most standard doors, so I didn't need to drill any new holes or modify anything. It just worked perfect with my previous lock cutout. It took me about 15 minutes to get everything mounted, connected, and synced with the app. The app walks you through the pairing of the lock to Wi-Fi, linking your smart assistant, and registering your fingerprint. All super intuitive, and it's just like that. We're installed and ready to test out the 6 unlocking methods. So this lock is absolutely packed with features. You can unlock it using your fingerprint, the Lockzo app, voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, the keypad, a physical key, or even remote access for guests. The fingerprint reader is incredibly fast. It recognized me in under a second, which is perfect when your hands are full. You can also unlock it with your phone or your voice. Just say, Alexa, unlock the front door, and well, you're in. The built-in 2K HD camera gives you crystal clear video with a wide 180-degree field of view, so you can see everything happening from your doorstep. With two-way audio, you can talk to delivery drivers and visitors straight from your phone. No separate doorbell camera needed. One device replaces the old lock, doorbell, and camera with a total awareness in one. It also uses dual motion sensors with both PIR and radar technology to detect movement accurately within 6-meter range. That means fewer false alerts. It knows the difference between a passing car and an actual person approaching your door. Smart detection like this really cuts down those spam notifications. Only the important alerts make it through to your phone. So inside is a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery, giving you up to 180 days of power on a single charge. And with an IP65 weather resistant design, this thing can handle rain, dust, or summer heat without breaking a sweat. So whether it's hot, cold, or stormy, the Lockzo will just keep going. With the Lockzo app, you can check your live feed, talk to visitors, review video history, or unlock the door from anywhere in the world. If you got guests or deliveries, you can even send temporary passcodes or unlock remotely for convenience. It's a peace of mind right in your pocket. The Lockzo Smart Lock really delivers on its promise. Security you can see, control you can trust. Between the 2K camera, 6 unlock methods, and months-long battery life, it's easily one of the most complete smart lock systems I've tested. If you want to learn more, you can grab one for yourself. You can check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to a friend who needs a better smart lock in their life. Hit that bell for more smart home reviews. We'll see you in the next one.